How cool is this? I got a music overlay here, and I'm gonna show how to do this yourself. I'm just gonna remove this and just start it from fresh. So I'm using this Groove music player, which is just the music player on Windows by default on Windows 10. And you don't have to use this, you could use any music player really. So first you need to get this program right here. It's called OnTopReplica. OnTopReplica, it's good for anything on stream really. You can get it from GitHub. If you go to the tags, you can find like a download here. And then you download the zip. I already have it downloaded, but you basically just have to install it. And there's another place you could get it, Softpedia. You can get the same program here. So you get this program and this is what it looks like once you get it OnTopReplica. It says right click here to start, right? And you want to select a window. And I'm going to choose Groove Music. You can resize this, make it fit to window, right? And now I have like a window here where I can see it. Let me play like a long title song because I want to get the whole title here. Yeah, let me use this title. So what I'll do is select region. And you can't really see this here. Here it says done. To finish it, you hit done. So now I have this. I can resize it, make it fit to window, 1:1, resize, fit to window, 1:1. This is just like the actual size that it is. And now like we could even be done with this just right here. I could turn off show window border. That just, you can use this to resize it, but it doesn't look amazing. Like it looks good just like this. And I could just leave it at that. You know, now I have this little overlay, whatever I want to do. I want to go to like Steam or anything. Now I have this like little music overlay on my screen, which is awesome. But I want to take it a step further and I want to show how much time do you have left in the song. So to do that, I want to open up another instance of this program OnTopReplica. And once again, I can select Groove Music. You could do this with OBS. You could do this like any streaming software. I'm gonna make this 1:1 again. And now I want to select region again. Right click, select region. And I just want to get the track bar, not the numbers. You could get the numbers if you want. Looks like there's a little too much on top. So I'm going to trim the top off. I'm going to hit done here. Now I have this huge track bar. And I'm going to resize it, make it 1:1 fit to window. This is just the actual size that it is. And this is actually pretty close. It's not exact. And I like to get exact. I want to get exact. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Windows key, hold down Windows key and hit plus. And that will zoom in. To resize this, you click on the corner or on the side and you just resize it. Try to make it the same size. And then I'm going to right click it and click show window border to uncheck that. And now maybe like one more pixel smaller. All right, that looks exact. Now it looks exact. Now I can put that up. And then once I'm done with that, I can hit Windows key, escape, and that will take me back to the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.